Trucking Efficiency is proud to share the findings of a report on the opportunity for freight efficiency through idle reduction solutions on North American sleeper tractors.
Our confidence report is centered around embracing all the different aspects of idle reduction and trying to bring it into one consolidated picture. We can provide that insight that the industry needs to figure out what are my best opportunities as I move into the future.
Trucking Efficiency is a joint effort between the North American Council for Freight Efficiency and the Carbon War Room to double the efficiency of North American goods movement by 2016 through the elimination of market barriers to information, demand, and supply. The operation is gathering and centralizing the many existing sources of data about the performance results of different technology options and working with the industry to share previously unpublished data when employed in a variety of vehicle models and duty cycles, and making all of the data openly accessible and more cross-comparable. In order to generate confidence on the performance claims of efficiency technologies, Trucking Efficiency is conducting a series of studies known as confidence reports. The first confidence report focused on the available technologies for ensuring appropriate tire pressure and was published in August 2013, followed by a 6x2 tractor configuration report in January 2014. We will be publishing additional reports on automated transmissions and other similar subjects in the coming year. We would like to thank Sustainable America, Thermo King, Werner Enterprises, Boyle Construction Management, ClimateCap by CrossPoint Solutions, eNow, Idle Air, Maxwell Technologies, and Vanner for sponsoring this important work. It should be mentioned that none of these companies had any specific influence on the findings of the study. If you are interested in supporting future work, please contact us. We also would like to thank the over 24 idle reduction system suppliers for their information and time. Contractors are used to conduct these studies. Team members are experts in the trucking industry as well as the use of these technologies, without any bias to the subject matter under study. A great team including Dave, Denise, Rob, Mike, and Tessa completed this work with support and insight from many others. The group completes confidence reports to better understand and educate the industry on specific technologies and practices for improved fuel efficiency. The idle reduction system report includes numerous different systems and takes a glance at future options as well. Systems are grouped together to provide system overviews with advantages and disadvantages to each group. Some solutions are well proven and generally accepted in fleet use. Fuel-operated heaters, also known as diesel-fired heaters, were seen by many as the benchmark in idle reduction devices. Other methods, such as creating a dormitory at a fleet site, are new, in limited use, and will take time to achieve payback. For the past few years, the North American Council for Freight Efficiency has worked with leading fleets to complete an annual fleet fuel benchmarking analysis. Idle reduction has been described by fleets as having potential, with some technologies having different levels of adoption. Keep in mind this study only includes data from 11 end-user fleets. For readers that may not be familiar with sleeper truck idling, the report opens with some background on why trucks idle, a brief history of idle reduction devices, and the reasons why idle reduction has become a focus of more recent attention and development. Truckers spend well over half of their time resting, sleeping, working in their cabs. Helping them complete these tasks in the most efficient manner so they can be safe and effective employees is key for the success of fleets. To provide sleeper temperature control, battery start of charge, and other such benefits, the energy must come from an on-board source, either diesel fuel or battery power, or could be provided from an off-board source, such as a shore power. There are a lot of different solutions that touch some of these benefits, but few of the solutions can provide all the benefits desired. Although a few of the core technologies compete with each other, many of the technologies complement one another. It is quite possible that a shortcoming that is preventing a fleet from attaining complete success can be remedied by adding one of these complementary solutions to the anchor one. This is one of the key findings of this report: how fleets take advantage of multiple technologies to reduce idle, saving fuel expense and helping drivers be comfortable and successful. There appears to be 5 basic core solutions for idle reduction: diesel APUs, battery HVACs, automatic engine start-stop systems, truck stop electrification, and possibly the most simple one, which is a fuel-operated heater and driver incentives and training. During the course of the study, 5 common fleet solutions emerged. Also, the 5 core solutions are augmented with other technologies to make each more efficient, so long as the marginal benefits exceed the additional costs. For instance, in many cases, it is tough to find a more efficient solution for providing interior heating than a fuel-operated heater. So although it may seem redundant to a system, it may remain the best way to get through a cold winter night. The report contains over 36 single-page technical overviews of the products available in the industry for idle reduction. While there are certainly additional products in the market, this group will provide decision-makers a great glimpse into the variety of systems available, as well as technical specifications and contact information to learn more from these suppliers. Manufacturer websites and some details of their products are included. The vehicle integration of these systems can be anywhere from non-existent to extremely complicated. Many of the systems require cab and/or frame mounting and a fair amount of wiring and plumbing. This can make post-truck production line installations time-consuming. The vehicle manufacturers offer a variety of different solutions. When you consider the assembly line complexity and labor hours of some systems, such as a diesel APU, it is easy to see why it is impossible for a given OEM to offer all the possible idle reduction features on a production line. Nonetheless, these fleets would like to see more systems installed in factory and warranted as parts of the vehicle. To gain a broad spectrum of input, the team incorporated 4 different end-user surveys into their assignments. NACFE would like to thank Chris Kemmer, Michelin, Communispace, Kevin Rutherford, as well as the NACFE member fleets for their support in capturing these insights. This effort captured inputs from small, medium, and very large fleets. Chris Kemmer added 2 questions to a survey recently completed by their commercial vehicle research firm. The first investigated satisfaction levels and found that fuel-operated heaters and extra insulation scored well. Automatic engine start-stop systems and off-board vehicle HVACs from truck stop electrification had higher levels of dissatisfaction. Personal phone interviews of major fleets revealed just how widespread the challenges of idle reduction systems can be. Only 4 out of the 11 fleets have seen continuous annual improvement in their percent idle time over the past 3 years. This report has over 100 pages of content, but in the end the conclusions reduce down to these points. The wide range of solutions compounded by an even wider array of confusing acronyms and different terms makes the opportunity for miscommunications almost inevitable. The report reviews the role of drivers, fleets, OEMs, and suppliers in making these systems work correctly. While searching for the best idle reduction system for your fleet, it is noted that every solution has some level of downside in operation. The opportunities and challenges for idle reduction continue to change at a fairly rapid pace, but costs are still the key to successful fleet operations. Given the differences in climates and operational policies, there is no one solution that solves idle reduction for all fleets. The report provides a plethora of ideas on idle reduction technologies for those fleets that are keenly interested in providing sustainability examples to their freight customers. This concludes the summary of the Idle Reduction Confidence Report. We thank you for your interest in this topic and are looking forward to your comments and suggestions. Please, feel free to contact us.